Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. It's easy to set up and will bring the power of AI right to your fingertips. Let's get started. First, open up your WhatsApp app on your phone. If you haven't already, make sure you've installed WhatsApp from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, tap on the New Contact option to add a new number. This will open up a screen where you can input contact details. Now, select your country. For the US, the code is +1. Once you've selected your country code, type the number *800-242-8478*. This is the official number for ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Now, save this contact with the name ChatGPT. You can name it whatever you like, but ChatGPT works best for easy recognition. Once that's done, go back to your contacts list and find the ChatGPT contact you just created. Open the ChatGPT contact, and in the message box, type, "Hello," to get started. Send your message, and you'll instantly get a response from ChatGPT. As soon as you send your message, ChatGPT will respond. You can ask anything, whether it's about science, history, or even just a fun fact. Go ahead and ask any question you have. For example, you can ask, "What's the capital of France?" And ChatGPT will give you an instant answer. See how fast it responds. ChatGPT can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. That's it. You've now set up ChatGPT on WhatsApp and can chat anytime you want. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. See you in the next video. This script includes all the necessary steps to guide your audience through setting up and using ChatGPT on WhatsApp, and the reminder to subscribe at the end. You can modify the tone or wording to match your style. Let me know if you'd like any tweaks or additional info. Smile.